What's up, guys? It's Techno Viking 23 coming to you from right around Waynesville, North Carolina. It is Monday, March the 11th, and believe it or not, we are actually going out to get one last day of skiing in for this 2023-2024 Mid-Atlantic season. It's been a pretty good season so far. I was actually supposed to go up to Canadian Valley last week, but I had to sit that one out. If you guys watched the Timberline video a couple weeks ago, you saw the pretty nasty crash we took. Turns out that I actually broke my tailbone in that impact. So the doctor told me needed about a month off at least to try to let it heal up, maybe 2 if it was still bothering me. We're a little bit before the 1 month mark. We're right there, but it feels pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and give it a shot today. I didn't think we'd be able to get any more skiing in this season, but Cataloochee looks like they are still open. They've still got some pretty good trails up and running. And even though we got 4 inches of rain over the weekend, it seems like they dodged most of it, and they've been blowing snow pretty much all night Saturday night, and they blew snow all day yesterday. When I looked at the webcams this morning when I got up, they looked awesome. So I'm thinking we're going to have a pretty good day out there today. Got about 30 minutes left on the drive to get into Cataloochee from where we are right here at this little rest area we stopped at, and be able to check out the slips when we get there, and hopefully we got a pretty good day of shredding ahead of us. So I'll catch up with you guys on the mountain.
In my mouth is a desert, running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies, how to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. You're tall as the so full of emotion. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. You're tall as the You're tall as the ocean, and I can't touch the floor. So full of emotion, I can't keep anymore. Are we out of time? Bear with me, swallow. Don't give up on us now. I can feel it where I once had you all alone. In the back of my mind, I'm under your spell. I can't get out. 5 feet low, and I'm still here. I'm freezing cold, but I will wait and hold my breath till that turn blue, that turn blue, that turn blue, that turn blue, that turn blue. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion.
All right, guys, we are all wrapped up here at Cataloochee Ski Area. It was a pretty awesome day today. Not too many trails open, so it was kind of like the first time I came out here. We just had basically the one diamond off the top to run all day long, a couple blues and greens to mix it up a little bit here and there, but pretty much the same old as the last time we were here. Hopefully next season I'll be able to get up here when they have more trails open. I really wanted to get back up here during the snow season this year, but I just never really had a chance to get back up here. Every time I wanted to come up, weather was bad, or I just had something come up back home where I couldn't make it out for the weekend or something, or it's just really busy. That's the one thing about Cataloochee, it gets really busy on the weekends. So it was kind of nice here on a Monday. Had the place to ourselves most of the day. It did get a little crowded around lunchtime, but not too bad at all. Just a nice day. It's about 60 degrees out now, so it got a little warm. We got a little choppy toward the end there. We did a 4-hour pass, and toward the end of the pass, it was kind of getting to the point where it's like, all right, we got in here, we got our 20 runs in today, which is pretty good, and it's probably time to go ahead and get out before the snow gets a little choppy. But I would imagine this is probably going to be the last week they're open up here. They don't really have much of a base left. A lot of it's probably going to melt the next couple days, and I know next weekend we're supposed to get another big rainstorm to come through here, so this might be it. And if it was a pretty good last day of the 23-24 ski season. And so now we'll head on home. We're going to put the skis up, probably go get them tuned so we're ready to go. Hopefully Thanksgiving later this year, we'll have another good winter like we did this year. It's been an absolutely fantastic ski season here on the East Coast and the Mid-Atlantic. Just seems like we had storm after storm, massive snowfalls every other weekend. Just great conditions up in West Virginia especially, so just been a great season. I'm looking forward to next season though for sure. Had a lot of fun this year. We actually managed to get out 10 times altogether, which was double what we got out last year, so pretty successful season for us. We went to West Virginia a couple times. We hit Cataloochee twice. We even got back to Winter Place, got up to Wisp, so pretty good season. We'll see if we can line up some other trips for later in the year. But for now, it's going to do it from Cataloochee Ski Area. As always, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks as always for watching, and I will see you again next time.